Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. Once again, I am going to start chapter number 9, Algebraic Expression and Identities. In first lecture, we will learn basic concepts. So, student, what is a expression? Expression are formed for variable. Expression are formed from variable and constants. From variables and constants. For example, 2x, 5x plus 7y, 3x plus 5y plus 7z plus 3, etc. So expression are formed from variable and constant, student. This expression is given variable x and constant number 2. This is also given variable x and y, constant 5 and 7. This is also given variable x, y, z and constant 3, 5, 7 and 3, like that. So students, next, how to form algebraic expression. Algebraic expression form with variable and constants, generally known as terms. So, student, what is a term? Term. This is given that 2x called terms. Term. Second one, 5x plus 7y. This is the terms. This is the term. So student, in this polynomial, two terms are here. In this expression, one terms are here. So one term expression, two term expression, and so on, 3 term, 4 terms. So this is a term, student. So term 2x, it means 2 and x is a factor of the given term, student. 2 and x is factor of the given term. Factor. And another example, 3xy plus 7. So here two terms are given, students. So first term 3xy factor 3 into x into y, factor, and 7 is another term, only one factor, 7 into 1. So in this factor, student, x and y is variable, 3 is known as coefficient. So students, expression are made with terms, factors and coefficients. तो स्टूडेंट, जो एक्सप्रेशन होता है वो किससे किससे मिलकर बना होता है? टर्म से मिलकर बना होता है, वेरिएबल से मिलकर बना होता है, और कोफिशिएंट से मिलकर के बना होता है. तो नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, हम लोगों ने देखा कि टर्म्स क्या होता है, फैक्टर्स क्या होते हैं, कोफिशिएंट्स क्या होते हैं. टर्म, फैक्टर एंड कोफिशिएंट. एक्सप्रेशन में ये हमने 3 फैक्टर्स पढ़े. एक्सप्रेशन. तो नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, टाइप ऑफ द algebraic expression based on terms. अलजेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन कितने टाइप के होते हैं टर्म के बेस पर अगर हम डिसाइड करें स्टूडेंट, तो सच टाइप ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, सच टाइप ऑफ expression which have only one term is known as monomial. For example, 7x, 5y, 3z, 5x square y, all are monomials. Only one terms are given student. जब भी किसी एक्सप्रेशन में कोई प्लस अदरवाइज माइनस साइन नहीं आया हो, दैट इज मोनोमियल। यहां भी देखो कोई प्लस माइनस साइन नहीं, इसमें भी कोई प्लस माइनस साइन नहीं, इसमें भी कोई प्लस माइनस साइन नहीं, इसमें भी कोई प्लस माइनस साइन नहीं। So this type of expression is known as monomial students. तो जिसमें one and only one terms होते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? मोनोमियल। देन an expression, second one students, an expression which contains two terms, which contain two terms is called binomial. Contain two terms which is called binomial. For example student, x square plus 5xy, first term and second term, this is contain two terms. 3t plus 7, which is contain two terms, so this is the binomial. And next student, an expression which contains three terms is called trinomial. जिसमें थ्री टर्म्स होंगे स्टूडेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्राइनोमियल. सो 3x plus 5 plus y plus 7z, which contain three term, one term, second term and third term. This is the trinomial students. So this is a trinomial. Next example, 5p plus 7q plus 3. This is also contain three terms. So this is a trinomial student. So base of the number of terms, expression divided mainly three parts. First one binomial, which contain one and only term. Second one, monomial, which contains one and only one term student, that is known as monomial. If contain two terms, then binomial. If he contains three term student, that is trinomial. So monomial, binomial and trinomial, and all other expression is known as polynomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial and all other type of expression is known as polynomial student. तो हम लोगों ने सीख लिया मोनोमियल, जिसमें वन एंड ओनली वन टर्म्स होता है स्टूडेंट, बाइनोमियल जिसमें दो टर्म होते हैं, ट्राइनोमियल स्टूडेंट जिसमें तीन टर्म्स होते हैं. देन स्टूडेंट आता है टर्म्स जो होते हैं लाइक टर्म्स एंड अनलाइक टर्म्स, लाइक टर्म्स, like terms, unlike terms, unlike terms. Students, algebraic factor is same, called like term if algebraic factor is same. For example, algebraic factor is same, algebraic factor is same, called like terms, like terms. For example, students, for example, 7x 13x, so this is factor, this is the terms, factors 7 into x, factor 13 into x. So algebraic factor is same, student, x and x. Another 7x square y, 3x square y. So algebraic factor, student, 7 into x into x into y, 3 into x into x into y. So this is the coefficient, this is the coefficient. Algebraic factor, student, x x y, x x y. So algebraic factor is same, algebraic factor are same. So terms is like term, like that 7x and 13x. So 7x and 13x like terms. Another example, 7x square y and 3x square y. This is the also like terms because algebraic factor are same. Algebraic factor, it means x, x square y and x square y. So this is the like terms. If algebraic factor are not same, so unlike terms, student, unlike terms, unlike terms. If algebraic factor of terms are not same. For example, 7 PQ, 7 PQ, 3 P square Q cube. So algebraic factor, student, P and Q, and algebraic factor, student, P into P into Q into Q into Q. So algebraic factor are not same, student, in given two terms. So term is unlike. So 7PQ and 3P square Q cube, unlike terms, unlike terms. So this is the unlike terms, students. Then product of the expression. How to find the product of the expression, students? How to find the product? If any expression multiplied with 0, then product is also 0, student. If any expression multiplied with 0, so product is 0, student. So product, for example, student, 4p into 0 equal to 0. So product of the 4p and 0 will be equal to 0. And another, students, 2xy into 5x. So multiply करो student 2 into x into y into 5 into x. So first of all multiply numbers. 2 5 ja 10. Then x square into y. It means student 10x square y. This is the product of 2xy and 5y. Another example student, product of the monomial 3p square and 3pq. So student, multiplication 3 into p in factor form. Also multiply 3 into p into q. So 3 into 3. First of all multiply coefficient. 3 3 is 9. Then law of exponent p into p into p. P raised to 1, p raised to 1, p raised to 1. P cube. Then q. This is the multiplication student. So product of the, another example student, product of 4 and 7p. It means student 4 into 7 into p equal to 28p. Multiply coefficient and then multiply like terms. So 28p student. Another expression student, multiply another expression student, obtain xy into yz into zx. Student, obtain product of, otherwise obtained product xy, yz and zx. So multiply xy into yz into zx. So x into y into z into z into x. So student, x into x square, y into y square, then z into z square. Simply we can write x square y square z square. Students, and multiplication of polynomial with polynomial, we should always look for like. Student, some use of the product of the polynomial, how to find the area of rectangle if length and breadth are given. So how to find the area of rectangle student? You all studied in earlier classes. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So word problem with help of the algebraic expression, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. If length and breadth in given algebraic expression form, then how to find student? Area, obtain area of rectangle with given first length 3x, breadth 5y. So student, area is equal to length into breadth equal to 3x into 5y is equal to 3 into x into 5 into y. 3 5 ja 15 xy square unit, because unit of the area is square unit. So area is equal to 15xy. Another question is given, student. This is the first one. Second one, length is given 2x square y and breadth is given 5xy square. So again use the formula, student. Length into breadth. Area of rectangle, length into breadth is equal to, length into breadth is equal to 2x square y into 5xy. It can be written in factor form 2 into x into x into y into 5 into x into y. So 2 5 ja 10, x into x into x, it means x cube into y, it means y square. It means 10x cube y square unit. This is the area of the given rectangle, students. So प्रोडक्ट कैसे फाइंड करते हैं हम लोगों ने वो भी सीख लिया स्टूडेंट. तो अगर हम एक्सप्रेशन क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, अगर टर्म को ऐड कर दें तो हमें क्या फाइंड होता है स्टूडेंट. टर्म्स आर एडेड टू फॉर्म एक्सप्रेशन. स्टूडेंट्स टर्म्स को अगर ऐड कर दें तो क्या फॉर्म होता है, एक्सप्रेशन फॉर्म होता है स्टूडेंट्स. टर्म्स आर एडेड टू फॉर्म expression like that 2x plus 7y plus 3z. This is the expression. Terms are added. This is the expression. If terms are added, then to form a expression, students. तो हम लोगों ने इंट्रोडक्शन का एक देखा भी कि अलजेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन में क्या क्या होते हैं. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एक्सप्रेशन, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय टर्म्स, फैक्टर्स एंड कोएफिशिएंट्स, वेरिएबल्स, देन हाउ मेनी टाइप ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन इन बेस ऑफ द टर्म्स. तो स्टूडेंट इसको अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग फिर इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे. जो लोग वीडियो देख रहे होंगे प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलेंगे. थैंक यू.